Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new chef-based refrigerators. Brand on this item is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements. Starting with the length, we are looking at a total of 60 inches, followed by a depth of 32 inches, and the overall height, we are looking at a total of 26 inches. Guys, okay, that's going to be our measurement for this chef-based unit. It is going to be a 2-drawer, so obviously they are going to be refrigerated, and you can just easily slide open just like that and slide shut just like that. Also on the front, we have our temperature controller. Okay, this is where you can set your temperature if you want to go ahead and do that. Also, it will show your temperature once the unit is on and running, and we have a switch as well on the front. Okay guys, that's going to be the front. Now I want to go ahead and turn this unit around and show you the back. And on the back is where we will be able to locate our plug. Also on the side, we have a sticker with all the specs. It will show you all the specs, circuit diagram, and certification on the back. Okay, so all that's going to be displayed on the back if you want to go ahead and see all the details regarding this unit. You also have casters that will be provided for this chef-based unit, so it makes it easier for use. Okay guys, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this particular chef-based refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. We will also have other models available on the website, so go ahead and check them out. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.